On August 13th, 2025, a JetBlue Airbus A320 departing from Long Island to Orlando suffered a right engine failure shortly after takeoff. The crew declared an emergency and diverted to JFK, where the aircraft landed safely. After inspection, emergency services confirmed the engine was completely destroyed.
JetBlue 547, contact departure today.
JetBlue 547, need to make a return to the field, just lost an engine, declare emergency. Yeah, bye.
JetBlue 547, roger, if you can, make right traffic for runway 24, maintain visual.
Right traffic 24, unable visual above clouds, JetBlue 547.
JetBlue 547, roger, still remaining in souls on board.
So remaining 22.7, and souls on board 167.
What's the nature of emergency?
Engine failure.
JetBlue 547, runway 24, you clear to wind 20012, gusting 17, we'll have the truck stop.
Copy JetBlue 547, we're going to need radar vectors until we start the checklist, JetBlue 547.
JetBlue 547, you want radar vectors?
Affirmative.
JetBlue 547, roger, turn right heading 330 for now, and then 060 on the downwind.
Right, 330, and stand by on that, JetBlue 547.
JetBlue 547, you want departure to work in on the heading, or you want me to do it?
Actually, if we go to departure, we're going to divert to JFK, JetBlue 547.
JetBlue 547, no problem, contact departure 120.05.
120.05, JetBlue 547. So JetBlue 547, 1,400, climbing 3,000, emergency aircraft, 52, failure, diverted to JFK.
Can you check your radar contact? There you have items to go there, acknowledge your emergency. Please hold on board if remaining in time to make what you can, if not.
On board, 22.6, souls on board, 107. 167, and we have 22.6 pounds of fuel on board. Right, 330, 3,000, 547.
JetBlue 547, contact you.
547, thanks, JetBlue 547. JetBlue 547, checking in 2,500, climbing 3,000, engine 2 failure, emergency divert.
JetBlue 547, you're cleared to Kennedy via radar vectors, information Foxtrot current, plan ILS runway 22 left.
ILS 22 left, JetBlue 547.
JetBlue 547, what's the nature of the emergency, and souls and fuel, please?
We have engine 2 failure, and souls on board 167, fuel on board 22.1, JetBlue 547.
167 souls, what about the fuel?
That's affirmed 167 and 22.1 on board, JetBlue 547.
JetBlue 547, roger that, contact approach 1324.
1324, JetBlue 547.
JetBlue 547, you with me?
Yes, sir, we're with you, and just to let you know, we just need some radar vectors for now, just so we can finish up our checklist, and once we are ready, we'll advise when we're ready for the approach. For runway, you said 22?
22 left or right, your choice, keep me advised.
Okay, we'll 22 left should be fine. Actually, 22 right, that's the longer runway. We'll take 22 right, and we'll advise you. What heading would you like us?
Just fly heading 240.
Okay, heading 240 for JetBlue 547, we'll let you know, thank you.
JetBlue 547, turn left heading 160, contact approach 135.9er.
Okay, left turn 160, 35.9er for JetBlue 547. And New York JetBlue 547 with you on a heading of 160.
JetBlue 547, 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐜, Kennedy altimeter T988.
I'm sorry, can you confirm the 29er, 89er?
2988 on the altimeter 2988.
2988, thank you.
And JetBlue 547, just let us know when you're ready to come back in.
Yes, sir, we're finishing up our checklist, and then we'll let you know when we're ready. Thank you.
And JetBlue 547, when you get a second, just to verify, you're okay with 22 right, or are you going to think you want a different runway?
Stand by. What is your wind right now?
Winds at the surface is 200 at 16.
Yeah, 22 right should be fine.
JetBlue 547, turn left turn heading 090.
Left turn 090, just 547.
We're just going to try to keep you close to the airport. This way, when you're ready, we can get you right in.
Perfect. We appreciate that. Yeah, we're almost done with our checklist, so we'll notify you shortly.
Okay.
JetBlue 547, can we get the temperature and wind?
You said you want the temperature also?
That's correct.
I just got the temperature from the ATIS. It's 2.8 and 2.23. The surface winds are 190 at 16.
9016, thanks.
JetBlue 547, turn left, heading 130.
Left turn 130, and we're setting up for 22 left now for JetBlue 547, just to give you a heads up.
Roger, expect ILS 22 left approach, Foxtrot now current. Just let me know when you're ready to come in.
Okay, what heading was 140, you said?
130 heading.
130 heading, JetBlue 547.
For JetBlue 547, we'll do one more lap around here, and then we'll come back in for the approach probably after that. JetBlue 547.
547, roger that. And JetBlue 547, for your planning purposes, I'm going to turn you to 40 heading in about 2-3 miles. Is that enough, or you need a little bit more time?
Just slightly more time, JetBlue 547. We'll plan on stopping on the runway, get inspected before we move off.
Roger. JetBlue 547, tall heading 130.
Left 130, JetBlue 547.
And JetBlue 547, the tower's asking, do you think you need a tow off the runway?
No, I think we'll be all right. Once we get inspected, we should be able to taxi on our own power, JetBlue 547.
And JetBlue 547, you ready for your downwind?
2 more minutes, JetBlue 547.
JetBlue 547, turn left heading 040.
Left 040, JetBlue 547.
547, there'll be traffic passing overhead your company, Airbus 321-6 for 4,000 only.
Copy, JetBlue 547. York JetBlue 547, ready for the approach now.
JetBlue 547, very nice. Flighting 020, expect ILS 22 left approach, Foxtrot is correct.
020, expect ILS 22 left, and Foxtrot JetBlue 547.
JetBlue 547, Kennedy altimeter 29886, and say indicated airspeed.
29886, and we are slowing to about 220, JetBlue 547.
JetBlue 547, contact approach 132.4, 324, that gets you right in.
54, thanks, JetBlue 547. Approach JetBlue 547, level 3000.
So 547, first, thank you, Kennedy altimeter 29886.
296, JetBlue 547.
JetBlue 547, reduce speed to 190.
Speed 190, JetBlue 547.
So 547, reduce speed to 180.
Speed 180, JetBlue 547.
So 547, turn right heading 040 for the sequence.
Right 040, JetBlue 547.
Thank you. JetBlue 547, turn left heading 290.
Left 290, JetBlue 547.
JetBlue 547, instead of maintain 2000.
Staying 2000, JetBlue 547.
JetBlue 547, turn left heading 250, 2000 until established, call 22 left.
Left 250, 2000, established, clear, LS, JetBlue 547.
JetBlue 547, speed 170 is till 6 DME if you can.
Thank you, JetBlue 547.
JetBlue 547, you can, speed 170 till 6 mile final.
30 till 6 mile final, JetBlue 547.
Thank you. The 547, Kennedy Tower, 19.1, good day.
19.1, JetBlue 547. Kennedy Tower, JetBlue 547, LS 22 left, emergency aircraft will be stopping on the runway once again.
JetBlue 547 Kennedy Tower, roger, there is emergency vehicle standing by at your precaution. Wind 200 to 15, you're following heavy Airbus 330, caution with turbulence, runway 22 left, clear to land.
Look clearly at JetBlue 547.
And JetBlue 547, you said you're going to make a full stop?
Sorry, JetBlue 547.
Roger.
Tower from 99, could show 4 right, 22 left close at this time.
Car 99, roger, I understand runway 22 left is closed. And JetBlue 547, would you like the emergency equipment to take a look?
Sorry, JetBlue 547 went on their inspection.
And JetBlue 547, they're going to be switching them to me now so you can communicate with them.
I copy JetBlue 547.
Rescue truck, Kennedy time?
Rescue truck 1 is on.
Rescue truck 1, you can proceed on to runway 22 left. The runway is closed and JetBlue is requiring assistance. If you could communicate with him on the frequency.
Truck 1 copy. Permission into 22 left at hotel granted. JetBlue 547 from emergency truck 1, how do you read?
After JetBlue 540.
Go ahead for JetBlue 547. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐜. What's the situation? Do you have any fire indication on your right-hand engine at this time?
We do not have any fire indication at the right-hand engine. We failed. The engine failed on takeoff out of islip. We secured it. We pushed our engine fire push button on it, but we didn't. And we also deployed the squib here for engine number 2, but we never had an indication.
Okay, so to confirm, you did activate the platform, so you didn't get confirmation that they were discharging the engine, correct?
Correct, yeah. We had the engine fail. It looked like we might have some damage, so we deployed it as a precaution.
Okay, roger that. Can you do me a favor? You shut down all your exterior lighting, verify your parking brake is set, and are you planning to taxi or to get towed off?
If everything is correct, we can taxi to the gate for JetBlue 547, and the parking brake is on.
Okay, roger that. Parking brake is set. Engines at idle. We're going to do an inspection. I'll let you know what we see.
Thank you much.
JetBlue 547 from emergency truck 1.
Yes, sir. We're here.
All right, I can confirm. That number 2 engine is completely destroyed. Looks like the entire turbo section got torched out. I can actually see right through the engine almost. So you still want to taxi at this point?
Yeah, we'll get towed.
Copy that. So when you're ready, you can shut down the other engine.
Okay, shutting down engine number 1 now.
And JetBlue 547, just for planning purposes, are you planning to be towed to the gate?
That's perfect, JetBlue 547. We are planning to get towed.
Okay, and I think the tow's there, correct?
Yes, that's perfect, JetBlue 547.
Kennedy ground for emergency truck 1. Are you on?
Kennedy tires on.
Hey, Tower. So this aircraft gets towed, we'd like to follow the aircraft to the gate.
Rescue truck 2, I believe. That's no problem.
Truck 1. Forgot about that.
Sorry, truck 1, yes. I'm sorry, yes. Roger.